Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create interesting vocal effects. Let's listen to what we have for this demo.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
The first thing I've done to this vocal track is I duplicated it. I'm treating it with U80's Teletronics LA2A, the legacy version. I'm using a gain of 40 with a peak reduction of 40 as well. Next thing I have on those vocals is Metric Halo's channel strip. I'm using the EQ section. I'm pushing 15K at 1.54 and 4.5K, the same amount. I'm feeding that to U80's oxide tape. You can see my settings, you can copy it. It's giving the vocals extra presence in the mix. I'm following that by SPL Vitalizer. We're gonna try a couple of ways to create the vocal effect. On my duplicate track, I'm gonna set it to sends only. That way we can listen to the return of the reverb track. I'm going to use Ableton's stock EQ, enable a high pass and a low pass filter. We'll leave my low pass at 18K. We'll set my high pass to 900 Hz. I'm gonna set one of the bands to 1.2. Push that at 4 dB. We'll use a narrow Q for this. I'm gonna follow that by Metflanger by waves. I'm gonna set my stereo settings to 180, set my modulation to triangle, set my delay type to tape, and we'll make sure it's synchronized. Enable modulation. Let's listen to how this sounds.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
Let me solo the duplicate track so you can listen to what we have done. Let's push that up a little bit.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
Let's listen to it in context.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
Here is before.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
After.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
Another thing we could do is create some distortion and drive in the duplicate track. I have here Ableton's stock overdrive. I'm gonna set my drive to 70% and my dynamics to 70. I will set my dry and wet to 15%. Here is before. After. And one more thing we could do to make this even more interesting. This is the return track that has our main reverb. I have here a Max for Life device, which we could use to put that return of the reverb an octave up. Let's listen to how this sounds. Let's listen to this in context.
You give me love, yeah. You give me love.
Here's before.
You give me love.
After.
You give me love.
Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.